Okay, Option Sharks, we are back again. This is your option coach here, and today, once more on my 4th floor balcony. Check out the beautiful view. This is not the ocean. Actually, the ocean's right in the background, but this is where you get to see a lot of the rooftops. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. I like to be up here now, and also be able to have a little area to train when I do want to train. Okay, so in this video, what I want to cover is the types of stocks that you want to trade on if you have a smaller portfolio. Okay, so if you have a smaller portfolio, you want to generally, what I consider small is anything below 25K, 5 to 25K. So with that portfolio size, you are pretty much limited to the type of stocks you can trade on. Okay, so in this video, I want to cover and share a few stocks that I will recommend for smaller portfolio sizes. Okay, and then yeah, and then just and mainly off the wheel strategy. So smaller portfolio, wheel strategy, and to keep it safe. So in this video, we're gonna cover a little bit about, well, number one, the first stock is IREN, IREN. All right, so that's the ticker symbol, and they are related into the crypto industry, Bitcoin mining, and obviously we are in a crypto revolution. So any stocks that's in that industry is going to benefit from that. So number one is IREN, IREN. Number two is MARA, MARA. Then we also have ACHR Aviation and JOBY Aviation. So one is ACHR, another one's JOBY. They're both in the EV takeoff and landing. That's what the acronym stands for. And obviously they're the only two players in the market, right? Archer's number one, and then Joby's number two. And Archer already has some type of partnership with Palantir, so I would go with Archer more. But either or, it's like the Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Okay, they're gonna do just fine. So, and based on where they're trading at, that's perfect for portfolio sizes between 25,000 to 5,000. Okay, so those are the stocks that I will recommend. Number one, IREN, IREN. Number two, MARA, MARA. Number three, Archer, ACHR. Number four, JOBY. Now, they're in no particular order in importance. All four is fine. There's no particular order. Just see which one has the most premium, where is the support levels are, where's the resistance level are, bottom of the Bollinger Band, top of the band, right? You need to do your technical analysis. So if you want to understand more about that and you have a portfolio that's ranging between 25,000 to 5,000 and you want to get into trading options, you want to know how to trade these particular stocks that I just recommended, I'll be more than happy to help you. I have a small community. I do private coaching all on a one-on-one base. I answer all your questions about fundamentals, technical analysis. I also trade with you live. I literally handhold you through this whole process, help you make money. Okay, so it's really hard to mess that up, and this is something that a lot of people don't get, and that's why they give up in the market or they stop trading options, period, because they never had someone really by their side and help them throughout the process. Okay, so either way, like usual, stay tuned for the second half of the video. I'm going to include a actual live coaching call that I do with my option sharks, so you can see me in action, right, and see how I help my members and help you and show you how we can help members generate 3 to 10% per month. All right, so other than that, I wish you a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, so the right box is what you got paid, $23 per contract. 23 times 5, that gives you a total. That total is on the bottom. Scroll down. Yeah, 115. All right, go back up. On the left box is what the contracts are worth now. It's $39 per contract. 39 times 5, that gives you a number. All right, and then that number minus what you got paid as far as in premium. I believe 39 times, well, now it's 37. 37 times point, so $37 times 5 is 185. Yeah, that's the market value. So if you take 185 minus 115, which is what premium you collected, the difference is $70. And the $70 is the total return. So that means that you're out of pocket $70.
Okay. I'll just change again. 185.
Yeah, the left box is always going to be fluctuating.
Okay.
Just keep it very simple. On the right box, you collected $115 in premium. Okay. And on the left box, the market value is 185. If you take 185 minus 115, you're going to get 70, which is the total return. And it shows a minus is because you're going to be out of pocket $70.
Okay.
It's very simple. Okay. But in this case, we cannot roll, so we have to close it out at a loss of $70 or $65, and then we open a new trade for a profit, and then that covers that. So 5 contracts, contracts 5. And then you want to go with no, don't go too high. Go to 0.37. 36, 37. Yeah, let's process that. Let's see if we can get filled for that. Hit submit. All right, great. So you're out. That means we just closed the contracts. All right, let's go back to the main page. All right, that's the trade is gone. This is worthless. You can close this out.
This is okay, almost 100%, right?
Yeah. Yep. Close it out.
Okay.
You have 5 contracts. Yep. $1. Yep. Yep. Release the collateral. There you go. And you should get filled. There you go. That's done. All right. So we are cleaned up. Now let's trade. Let's go to Hood. We'll just stick with Robinhood. We'll stick with what's paying us, what's working, HOB. All right. And then trade options, trade Hood options. Sell put, July 3rd. Go with a 78 or 79. 79 or 78. It's up to you. 79 is a little bit, you make a little bit more, but both are okay. All right, so 79 strike. That means that one option collateral for Hood is how much?
7,900.
Yeah, so then your buying power, it says 42,978. Take that number divided by 7,900, and that'll tell you how many contracts you can do, and then execute.
Okay. 42,978. 5.4, so 5, right?
Go for it. Go for it.
Okay, cool.
All right, and then did you get filled? Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
There it is. All right, let's do some cover calls on Pony. Your cost basis on Pony, what was it again? I forgot.
Cost basis. So you talking about this?
No. How much you go down? 1450. Okay, so we'll sell the cover call at 1450. So trade Pony options. Sell call July 3rd.
So call.
Sell call July 3rd.
Okay. How come a sell call and not sell put?
Because you're selling a cover call, you're not selling puts anymore. You're selling a call on your shares. You're using your shares as collateral. Select 1450.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you have 500 shares of Pony. So click on that. Well, you need to click on the 48. Yeah. And you have 500 shares. So that means you can do 5 contracts. You see under review order, it says 500 shares available. You're using your shares as collateral instead of cash as collateral.
Okay.
All right. So you hit 5 contracts. And then type in 0.52. I think you're going to get away with that. 0.52. All right. Let's process that. It's about 259. See if you get filled. Nope. Didn't get filled. Did it say partially filled? Go on. Oh, no. Hit replace order. Yeah, it's not going to get filled. So we continue. Do 0.49. Yeah, let's go for that. Still didn't get filled. Oh, you got filled. Great. All right, so you collected 245 there. How much you collected in Robinhood? That trade you did? All the way down. 440.
440.
Okay. Okay. All right, let's go do another cover call on, I think Mara. I think you have Mara there. Yeah, click on Mara. What's your cost on Mara? 1550. Okay, so we sell the cover call at 1550. So trade Mara options. Sell call. And then July 3rd. Yeah, 1550. There you go, 31. You can only do one. Yeah, one contract because you have only 100 shares. Go to 0.32, get a little bit more. All right, process that. It's $32. See if you get filled. If you don't get filled, then we gotta go to 31. We gotta go to 31. Yeah.
Placed. Okay.
All right, you got filled, you're done. Okay, good. That's about, wait, what the hell? Why does it say pending orders? Refresh your screen. Your screen's messed up, man. All those are pending? I thought those got filled.
I thought so too.
No, this one, wait, replace this one to 0.30. What the heck?
So what's going on?
Yeah, that trade is completely gone. Click on Mara again. Go back to Mara. There was probably a glitch or something. No, yeah, go to Mara. Trade Mara options. Sell call July 3rd. 1550. Yeah. And then just execute that. Should get filled now. You got filled. Great. All right, so you collected about $716 for the following week in your retirement account.